Raindrops on my windowsill. Feels like the world is standing still. Packed up the memories we made, hoping that they'll never fade. Broken Polaroids on the wall, reminders of what we had before. Don't know when the scars will heal. Hope it's a dream that isn't real. I'm lying on the floor and staring at the ceiling, saying all the things I should have said. Grasping for a hand that's not even there. Do you still even care? I'm not letting go, I swear. You know that nobody else can compare. We promise we'll grow old as friends. Wish we could play pretend like we were kids again. I'm not letting go, I swear. Until we meet again, until we meet again. Our song comes on the radio, and here I am singing it alone. So much to say, so much to do. Don't think I can find someone new. I'm lying on the floor and staring at the ceiling, saying all the things I should have said. Grasping for a hand that's not even there. Why is life so unfair? I'm not letting go, I swear. You know that nobody else can compare. We promise we'll grow old as friends. Wish we could play pretend like we were kids again. Compare. We promise we'll grow old as friends until we meet again, until we meet again. I'm not letting go, I swear. You know that nobody else can compare. We promise we'll grow old as friends until we meet again, until